super huge stacked pizza here. It's a regular Red Robin brand. I just got some onions, I diced up peppers, and I threw on extra cheese. Matter of fact, we'll come over here. This is the crime scene where it went down, and I made the snack. Now over here I got that boy Jake. What's going on, Jake?
What's up, bro? I'm about to make something in the Easy Bake Oven. I'm about to make some brownies. Yeah. So what you want to do is you want to take this. You want to pour.
Man, basically everybody knows how to make an Easy Bake snack. Put like 2 teaspoons of water.
D, shut up.
I'm just saying.
Hey, you trying to make the snack. Now watch out. Now I didn't say that when you was doing your snacks now.
Oh, so they trying to diss me when I'm on the track. Shay in the kitchen whipping up them snacks.
What you want to do
Cooling in the kitchen.
So you know I got my little brownie in the Easy Bake Oven. See, I'm not sure if you can see it in there, but yeah, see, you can kind of see it in there. You know.
What it is, what it ain't, Jake? Oh, alright, yeah. Shout out to Beaver. Yeah, shout out. I'm making this Friday afternoon pizza. Shout out to Jacob, best friend Timothy.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I got this. I'm about to put this pizza out the oven. Now, basically, it was just a Red Robin pizza, and I pretty much souped it up with cheese, onions, and peppers, and everything wonderful. And I'm about to put it out the oven after being in there for about 15 minutes under 500 degrees of heat. Yeah. So I'm pulling out my pizza. It looks fabulous. See all that cheese and everything has just gotten integrated, real nice.
Go ahead.
Yeah, so I just take my knife here. I'm just gonna cut down the middle. Show you guys what it looks like in the middle. Whoa, Lord, that thing is hotter than. Alright. Yeah, pause. Alright, so this right here is so good right now. This is how you make a great Friday afternoon snack.
No trick ass nigga.